Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre D250 X-Dynamic HSE, finished in Santorini Black metallic paint, with 20-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the rear bumper we have the electrically deployable tow bar. Looking now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 40-20-40 rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sunroof from the inside, and we have the Ebony Windsor Leather and robust deck seats with centre armrest and Isofix child seat mounts. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card as we turn into view the heated and cooled front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and we can see the 3D surround camera system with towing assist view. And on the centre console we can see the climate controls with the ride out buttons, USB power sockets and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team with the contact details provided.